back to Mastering Mayhem. I just want to do a quick one here that I found at Walmart because this is a great deal for $79 right here, you guys. You get a HART stack system, mobile tool storage and organization in black, right? So this is the case. So you have RIDGID going for 99 bucks right now. That's like the closest set that I found that could even compete with this price for a 3-box mobile tool storage and organization system here. So other than that, Milwaukee and DeWalt, they're all just going to go higher in price. So if you're looking for a mobile tool storage and organization 3-box stackable system, HART's got it for you. As you can see here, one really cool thing is right there. If you see that, I think they give us a close-up photo here. But yeah, it's just like any other stackable system. I don't know as far as the quality of it compared to, let's say, the Tough System 2.0 or Milwaukee's Pack Out or RIDGID's setup. But you do have that, what do we got here? This cup holder slash accessories holder, phone holder. So that's a nice little feature there. You got the expandable retractable handle. You got the solid lock there, closing mechanisms there. You can lock the box as well. I don't know if that's just the big bottom one that you can lock, but it does have hard plastic durable wheels as well. And as you can see there, you can get your hand behind the boxes to hold the handle. And then I love this top case where it's a clear cover there where you can see what kind of accessories or tools you have in the box, or just whatever hardware you may put in there. So it looks very durable. It looks like you can also lock this one as well. It's got that little plastic, I guess when I go away from it there. But anyway, you see it in the clear plastic, you got a hole there. So very solid locking mechanism. Love the nice solid plastic organizational little sections there, which is really nice. Again, for all your hardware or smaller tools, that's a great top box there. This is the bottom. This looks like the middle one, which the middle one comes with a tray, so a little separation tray there for the smaller tools or whatever pieces of equipment you may need in that box. And then of course the big box here at the bottom can hold quite a bit more, and it has the rolling capability. So it's great that it's stackable, very mobile, it looks very comparable to the other brands out there like Milwaukee, DeWalt, RIDGID, as far as having a mobile storage setup here. So if you're looking for some mobile storage with, it looks like the blue grip is more of a rubberized grip, so it gives you a little more handle there. If you're looking for a set that you can use to just get your tools around and your hardware and your parts and pieces that you need for whatever project you may be tackling or whatever work you are on, whatever job site, for the price, this is the best deal at $79. I highly recommend this. I did try to find out if it has like a weather strip on the inside on the edges there where the lid meets the box. I didn't see it in the photos, but hopefully I can go in person and check that out. But from here I can't really tell. Let's see if we select this one. See, as I go close up here, zoom in, I don't see like that weather strip that you see on the other ones. So again, just depending on what you're looking for, if it's price versus quality or brand, it's up to you guys. But this is a great deal to have a stackable 3-box mobile storage, tool storage and organization setup. This is one of the best deals I've seen out there for 79 bucks. So once again, here I'm always hunting for you guys and trying to find the best deals. Not only for you guys, but I'm doing it for myself too. So if I see some deals that I like, obviously I'm going to go buy them. So, but I hope I'm finding you guys some great deals. They seem like great deals to me. So, and I appreciate you guys telling me when if I miss out on a deal or anything like that, I'll try to correct it as quickly as possible. So once again, here at Mastering Mayhem, I'm always looking for tools, tech, DIYs, and deals to help make your life a little easier and work more efficient. And until next time, I only hope the best for you and yours.